Welcome to Forever Yasaph Academy.
Hey everyone, if you're new to skincare, this video is your perfect starting point. Let's break it all down, simple, practical, and effective. Don't forget to subscribe. Why skincare matters. Your skin is your body's largest organ. Taking care of it isn't a luxury, it's health. Healthy skin protects you, boosts confidence, and prevents issues before they start. So, skincare isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good. Know your skin type. Start by understanding your skin type. Knowing whether it's oily, dry, or a mix helps you pick the right products. Basic skincare steps. Cleanse, twice daily. Tone, balances pH. Moisturize, locks in hydration. Sunscreen, everyday essential. Stick to a simple routine: cleanser, toner, moisturizer, and SPF. These are non-negotiables. Common mistakes. Overwashing, skipping sunscreen, using harsh scrubs. Be gentle with your skin. Over-cleansing or using scrubs can cause more harm than good. Beginner-friendly products. Aloe-based cleanser, fragrance-free moisturizer, SPF 30 or above. Choose simple, fragrance-free products to avoid irritation. Your skin will thank you. Glowing skin doesn't happen overnight. Start small, stay consistent. If you're feeling overwhelmed, don't worry. Start with the basics, and you'll see results in no time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.